What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to adjust your iPhone settings for optimal hotspot speed and connection. Whether you're working on the go or sharing your internet connection, these steps will help you achieve the best performance from your iPhone's hotspot. First, let's start by adjusting your hotspot settings. Open your Settings app and tap on Personal Hotspot. Ensure that Maximize Compatibility is enabled. This setting can improve the stability and speed of your hotspot connection by optimizing the performance for connected devices. Next, find an area with better call reception. The strength of your cellular signal directly affects your hotspot speed. Move to a location where you have a stronger signal to ensure a faster and more stable connection. Now, let's turn off low data mode. This setting can limit your data usage and reduce your connection speed. Go to your mobile service settings. Here, select your primary SIM card and tap on Data Mode. Make sure it's set to Standard or allow more data on 5G if you have a 5G capable device. Also, ensure that Low Power Mode is turned off. Low Power Mode reduces background activity to save battery life, but it can also impact your hotspot performance. In your Settings app, go to Battery and disable Low Power Mode. Keep your iPhone updated and restart it regularly. Software updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. In your Settings app, go to General and tap on Software Update. Install any available updates and then restart your device to apply the changes. To prevent current downloads from affecting your hotspot performance, disable Background App Refresh. In your General settings, tap on Background App Refresh. Turn off this feature for apps that use a lot of data, such as social media and streaming apps. This will prevent them from using data in the background, freeing up more bandwidth for your hotspot. If you need to charge your iPhone while using it as a hotspot, use a cable instead of wireless charging. Wireless charging can generate heat and potentially slow down your device. Using a wired connection helps maintain better performance. To optimize your connection even more, get closer to the device you're connecting the hotspot with. Physical proximity can reduce interference and improve signal strength. Also, connect fewer devices to your hotspot. The more devices that share your connection, the slower each one will be. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.